Hi traders. If you are losing money because you entered too early, you exit too late, and you don't know if it's a buy or sell, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how 3 lines changed my trading forever. EMA 5, EMA 15, and EMA 55. No RSI, no MACD, no confusion, just 3 EMAs. And at minute 7, I will show you the exact entry on a real chart that gave 600 points on NQ. Watch till the end. What is EMA? Exponential moving average. It's different from simple moving averages. SMA is slow and old. EMA is fast. It follows the price right now. It gives more weight to recent candles. That's why smart money uses EMA. Think of EMA like a magnet. Price always wants to come back to it. And when we use 3 different speeds of EMA, we can see who is controlling the market, buyers or sellers. EMA 5 is the trigger. It's the green line on my chart. It's super fast. It hugs the price. Its only job is to tell you momentum now. If price is above EMA 5, short-term buyers are winning. If price is below EMA 5, sellers are winning. But be careful. EMA 5 alone is dangerous. It will fake you out. We never trade EMA 5 alone. We need confirmation. That's where EMA 15 comes in. EMA 15 is the red line. It's the confirmation. This is my favorite. When EMA 5 crosses above EMA 15, it means momentum is shifting bullish. When EMA 5 crosses below EMA 15, it's bearish. This cross is your buy/sell signal. Why 15 and not 10? Because 15 filters out noise on NQ and ES. 10 is too fast. You get too many false crosses. 15 gives you cleaner entries, especially on a 5-minute chart like this. EMA 55 is the white line. It's the boss. It's the big trend. This is institutional level. This line decides if we are allowed to buy or sell. Simple rule. If price is above EMA 55, we only look for buys. If price is below EMA 55, we only look for sells. If price is chopping around EMA 55, we do not trade. This one rule will save your account from 90% of losses. Don't fight the boss. Now put it all together. My 3-step system. Step 1. Check EMA 55. Is price above? Okay, we are bullish. We only want longs. Step 2. Wait for price to pull back near EMA 15 or EMA 55. Don't chase. Be patient. Step 3. Wait for EMA 5 to cross above EMA 15. That's your entry. Stop loss goes below EMA 55 or below the last swing low. Take profit is 2 to 3 times your risk. Reverse it for shorts. It's that simple. Look at this real NQ chart. This is a live example from my screen. See? The white line. EMA 55. Price is way above it. So, we are bullish. Price pulled back. It touched EMA 15. Then what happened? EMA 5 crossed back over EMA 15 right here. Where this green arrow is. That was your sniper entry. You enter there, stop below EMA 55, and you ride it all the way up for over 600 points. No indicator can give you this clarity. Price never even touched EMA 55 again. It just followed EMA 5 up. So recap, EMA 5 is speed, EMA 15 is confirmation, EMA 55 is the boss. When 5 crosses, 15 above 55. Buy. When 5 crosses below 15 below 55. Sell. Backtest this 100 times on replay. Master 1 setup. If you want my free NinjaTrader template with these 3 EMAs, color-coded like my chart, comment down below, EMA template, and I will send it to you. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video where I show you how to add volume to this strategy. Okay, let's stop theory and let's read this chart together. The one you see on screen right now. This is NQ live. Look at the bottom white line. This is EMA 55. Where is price? Price is at 30200. EMA 55 is at 29700. So price is 500 points above the boss. That means we are in a strong uptrend. We never think about shorting here. Now, look at the red line, EMA 15. It's at 30166, and green line EMA 5 is at 30259. Green is above red. Red is above white. This is what I call full bullish alignment. 5, above 15, above 55. When you see this, this is momentum. Don't try to be a hero and short this. This chart is telling you buyers are in total control. Now, where was the perfect buy on this chart? Rewind a little to the left. See this area here where price went down. Red candles. Price pulled back from 29900 down to 29800. It came close to the white line, EMA 55. It didn't even touch it. It respected it. And what did the fast EMAs do? Green and red got squeezed together. Then boom. Green line crossed above red line. That cross, right there, was your entry. If you entered there, your stop loss would be just below the white line, EMA 55, maybe 15 points below. So you risk 100 points to make 400 points. That's 1 to 4 risk. Reward. This is how you make money. You buy the pullback to the boss. You don't chase the top. Finally, let me show you what not to do on this chart. Mistake number 1. Don't short just because RSI says overbought. This chart is overbought for 2 hours, but it kept going up. EMAs keep you in trend. RSI will kill you in trend. Mistake number 2. Don't buy when green is already far from white. If EMA 5 is 300 points away from EMA 55, it's too late. Wait for pullback. And mistake number 3. The biggest. Don't trade when price is hugging EMA 55 sideways. When white line is flat and price is crossing it up and down, that's chop. That's no trade zone. You will lose. Wait for clear distance between white and price. Wait for the cross of green and red. That's the sniper setup. That's how Amerimonde trading trades it.